Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Wi-Fi network icon missing on taskbar Windows 7 fix. First method is right-click taskbar, click Properties. Click Customize. Select Show Icon and Notifications. Second method is right-click taskbar, click Start Task Manager. Click Processes tab, select Explorer.exe, click End Process. Click File, click Any Task, type Explorer.exe. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.